Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another trade recap. Today we have two banger trades, and probably this is one of my best days ever because I caught this move to everyone. I caught the move on crypto, I caught the move on Nasdaq. Everything played out in like literally 10 minutes. As you can see here, the profits from today 3.3k from Nasdaq trade, tomorrow 3.6k, which is literally amazing. We are running again on huge winning streak. If I refresh again, you can see everything is legit, verified checker trade of it. But let me just walk you through this trade, and also let me show you the Bitcoin trade. As you can see on the 1 hour that I caught, this was a little bit advanced play, but it was literally amazing. It wasn't A plus, but for me it was such a banger trade. And before we actually go into the trade, and before I actually show you what I was looking for, I just need to show something really quick, because I think in this industry nobody is doing this. If we go to my Discord server, as you can see, this was inside of my mentorship group. So look at this. We are so bearish, but these two liquidity levels can be nice reversal points. So I'm watching for that, waiting for this. Then another screenshot. I'm in, guys. I told them that I'm in. Let's fucking go. TP1 was hit, and then TP2 was hit. As you can see, I called every single move, literally every single move before it even played out, as you can see. And also I shared profits from that, and I shared the profits from XC over here, as you can see on Bitcoin trade. So I don't know who else is doing this in this industry, but yeah, anyway, I think that right now you get the point that I'm 1% of those traders who are actually showing the proof and the real side of trading. But yeah, here we go, guys. Let me just walk you through what I was looking for and basically how I manage this trade. So we are bearish. I mean, we are not bearish right now, but we were so bearish because we were delivering from all of these fair value gaps, as you can see, and we inversed all of these bullish fair value gaps, and we had this drone liquidity over here. And I just knew that after a huge dump, market needs to do a retracement. And as you can see, that was the last liquidity point, and I knew that market will at least give us some bounce. I didn't know how much points that's gonna be, but I knew that it's gonna be at least a little bit. And I entered base of this 3 minute, as you can see over here, this 3 minute inversion. Immediately after receive such a fast reaction, it was a beautiful reaction. I entered here, stop loss somewhere around here. Actually no, stop loss was here, and full TP was here. First TP was here only because, guys, this was a speed bump. As you can see, this is high, which is liquidity resting. We have bearish fair value gap as well, and that's the only reason why I decided to go at least scale some profits here. And if we play the price, you can see how it played out to the TP very nicely. So there's nothing much to say about this trade. Very textbook, very A plus. This is happening almost every single time when market sweeps some crucial liquidity. So I think there's nothing much to say about this trade. But now we're gonna go on Bitcoin, and as you can see, what I was looking on Bitcoin trade, let me just exit the replay mode, was this. Again, same thing. Market came here, swept this liquidity. Market came here, respected this bullish fair value gap, and inversed all of these bearish fair value gaps. And it's showing me the huge bullish sign. And when market was somewhere around here, I saw very good momentum, and I said, look, if this bearish fair value gap gets inversed after market swept all the sell side liquidity, after market rebalance the range over here, because as you can see, market rebalanced the range, 50% of the range was retested, and after we swept all the sell side liquidity, I just knew that this is the only speed bump, like literally the only speed bump. Like it was such a, like even a blind man could catch this trade over here, because it was such a nice play, guys. And as you can see, I targeted this high somewhere around here, yeah, perfectly, this high over here, because it is 4-hour high, and this is where liquidity is resting for nice one-to-one risk to reward. And that's basically it. You can see it's always the same scenario. We are waiting to see what the market is respecting, what market is disrespecting. After that, we are searching for liquidity, reaction, and we are targeting the opposite liquidity. And that's basically it. Every single day, the same thing, same A plus trades, always the same fucking thing. We are always looking for the same thing, and it's not even that hard, as you can see. So that's gonna be it for today's recap, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.